Our journey begins with two celestial bodies, vastly different in their nature and destiny: Earth, the vibrant blue planet teeming with life, and Mercury, the scorched and barren world hugging the sun. These two planets, though neighbours in the vast expanse of our solar system, couldn't be more different in their characteristics and the roles they play in the cosmic dance. Earth, a cosmic oasis, boasts a life-sustaining atmosphere, moderate temperatures, and a stable orbit. It is a sanctuary where water flows freely and the air is rich with oxygen, nurturing a diverse array of life forms. It's a delicate balance, a symphony of cosmic conditions that have allowed life to thrive for billions of years. From the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every living being on Earth is a testament to this harmonious equilibrium. Mercury, on the other hand, is a world of extremes. Its surface is a stark contrast to the lush landscapes of Earth, marked by craters and rocky plains. Its proximity to the sun subjects it to scorching temperatures, reaching a staggering 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. The heat is so intense that it can melt lead, creating an environment that is utterly inhospitable to life as we know it. Its thin atmosphere offers little protection from the sun's relentless radiation, and its surface is a desolate landscape of craters and dust. The nights on Mercury are equally extreme, with temperatures plummeting to minus 330 degrees Fahrenheit, a testament to its inability to retain heat. Now imagine a cosmic twist of fate. What if Earth and Mercury were to switch places? This thought experiment challenges us to consider the fragility of our own planet's position in the solar system. What would become of our planet, our home, if we were to take Mercury's place in the fiery furnace of the inner solar system? The shift would expose Earth to the same brutal conditions that Mercury endures. The consequences would be nothing short of catastrophic, a cosmic drama unfolding on a grand scale. Our atmosphere would be stripped away, oceans would boil, and the surface would be scorched beyond recognition. Earth, once a cradle of life, would transform into an alien world, its familiar features twisted and reshaped by the unrelenting power of the sun. The lush forests, flowing rivers, and vibrant ecosystems would be replaced by a barren, desolate landscape, a stark reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. As Earth takes its new position, the first and most immediate consequence would be the dramatic shift in temperature. Exposed to the full brunt of the sun's energy, our planet would experience a temperature surge unlike anything it has ever known. The sun's relentless rays would bombard the surface, making it impossible for any form of life to survive. Daytime temperatures would soar to an unbearable 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. This extreme heat would cause metals to liquefy and infrastructure to collapse. The once life-giving oceans would boil away, their waters evaporating into the atmosphere, only to be stripped away by the solar wind. The loss of oceans would mean the end of the water cycle, devastating all forms of aquatic life. The lush landscapes we know and cherish would be scorched beyond recognition, transformed into barren deserts. Forests would burn and fertile lands would turn to dust, erasing the biodiversity that once thrived. But the night would bring no respite from the heat. The absence of the sun would not mean relief, as the heat absorbed during the day would radiate back into space. With a thin atmosphere unable to retain heat, temperatures would plummet to a bone-chilling minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, colder than the coldest depths of Antarctica. This drastic drop would freeze any remaining moisture, creating a stark contrast to the daytime inferno. Earth would swing between two extremes, a fiery inferno by day and a frozen wasteland by night. These severe temperature fluctuations would make it impossible for any life forms to adapt or survive. Life as we know it would be impossible in this new, hostile environment. Cities would be abandoned, and the remnants of human civilization would be left to decay. The delicate balance that supports life would be shattered, leaving behind a silent, desolate world. The Earth, once teeming with life, would become a stark reminder of the fragility of our existence. The relentless bombardment of solar radiation wouldn't stop at heating the planet. It would also strip away Earth's atmosphere, our planet's protective blanket. The intense heat would energize atmospheric gases, causing them to escape Earth's gravitational pull and bleed out into space. Our once vibrant blue sky would fade to a dull grey, the air becoming thin and unbreathable. Without the atmosphere to shield us, the sun's ultraviolet radiation would reach the surface unfiltered, making it impossible for any life to survive. The loss of the atmosphere would also have a devastating impact on Earth's climate and weather patterns. The oceans, already boiling away, would evaporate at an even faster rate. The delicate balance that regulates Earth's climate would be thrown into disarray, leading to extreme and unpredictable weather events. The Earth, once a planet of gentle breezes and life-giving rain, would become a world of violent storms and scorching winds. Earth's journey around the Sun would also be dramatically altered in Mercury's orbit, fundamentally changing the way we perceive time and our place in the solar system. Instead of a leisurely 365-day journey, Earth would find itself whipping around the Sun in a mere 88 days, a drastic reduction that would redefine our concept of a year. A year on this new Earth would be over in a flash, with months passing by in what feels like weeks, and weeks in mere days. This rapid orbit would have profound consequences for Earth's climate and seasons, leading to unpredictable and extreme weather patterns. Instead of the gradual transitions we experience, seasons would come and go in a matter of weeks, making it difficult for ecosystems to adapt. The rapid changes in temperature and solar radiation would further disrupt the planet's already chaotic climate, causing more frequent and severe weather events. The Moon, our faithful companion, would also be affected by Earth's new position, altering its gravitational relationship with our planet. Its orbit would be disrupted, leading to more extreme tides, which could have devastating effects on coastal regions. The gravitational pull of the Sun would also be stronger, potentially pulling the Moon out of Earth's orbit altogether, a scenario that would change the night sky forever. The once familiar rhythm of day and night, seasons and tides would be lost, replaced by a chaotic and unpredictable dance driven by the Sun's immense gravitational pull, leaving life on Earth in a constant state of flux. Imagine for a moment Earth suddenly swapping places with Mars. The consequences would be immediate and catastrophic. Earth's delicate atmosphere, so carefully balanced, would be stripped away by the harsh solar winds. Without our protective magnetic field, radiation levels would skyrocket, making life as we know it impossible. Now, let's think about the gravitational implications. Earth's mass is significantly greater than Mars. This sudden shift would send shockwaves through the solar system, disrupting the orbits of other planets and moons. The delicate dance of celestial bodies would be thrown into chaos, potentially leading to collisions and further devastation. Even a temporary swap would be disastrous. The abrupt change in gravitational forces would wreak havoc on Earth's tectonic plates, triggering massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Our oceans would surge and recede violently, causing tsunamis on an unprecedented scale. The biosphere, already stressed, would face unimaginable challenges. So, what can we do to protect our planet? Understanding the delicate balance of our solar system is crucial. Investing in space research, monitoring cosmic threats, and developing advanced technologies are essential steps. By working together, we can ensure that Earth remains a safe haven for future generations.